Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on since I'm not going to see you the next few days on things that you can be working on. I know that some of you were not able to get on today, so I just wanted to kind of talk about that. The big things are, can you do some work on a piece of paper, somehow take a picture of it, and then get it into the Google Classroom classwork? So once you take a picture of a piece of paper that has your work on it, yesterday we did a spiral review where you worked a problem out. Today we did another one. I only had about 3 people able to upload a picture yesterday, so I need us to all try to get that in. So if you click under classwork, right here where it says spiral review, you'll click on spiral review, okay? Then it says spiral review right here, you'll click on that. That's where you will insert the picture of your work and then submit it, okay? So let's see if everyone can get a picture in of your work from either the spiral review from Monday or today or both, all on that piece of paper, okay? The next thing that we talked about was our virtual locker. We talked about how you can upload a picture and it's transparent, and then you're able to manipulate that to make it bigger and smaller, to be able to twist it around, and that's going to help us practice some technology tools that we will use then for some interactive math stuff, hopefully next week, okay? If you didn't get to see what we did, there is a video here under Virtual Locker Tips that I have put in that will remind you how to get the pictures and how to manipulate them. This is the Virtual Locker link. If you click in here, it takes you into the different virtual lockers that everyone is starting to select. So if you look here, I can click on this one. This is Ethan's. This is Chase's. So they're in there and working. If you haven't made one, all you need to do is duplicate someone else's. To duplicate someone else's, you right click on it and you click duplicate, and then you can duplicate it. That becomes your slide. You delete everything else in there, and then it becomes yours. You'll put your name on it in here, and then that's your slide. That's your virtual locker, okay? So our goal is to have everyone's virtual locker ready to go by next Wednesday, because on Monday and Tuesday, you will come see me here at school, and we'll be practicing those classroom expectations and procedures, along with getting some of our math stuff going. I would love for everyone to have their composition book by Monday, but I understand with the next couple of days being a little off if we don't have that. But I wanted to make sure that you were able to know what went on today, because I had several people not be able to participate, and what you can be working on over the next few days if you can, okay? Otherwise, be safe, and I'm sure I will get to see you soon, hopefully on Friday, if not, shortly after.